In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in Xero. If you pay the same suppliers on a regular schedule, think rent, subscriptions, or utilities, setting up a repeating bill saves time and reduces errors. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an automated schedule that creates bills for you so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to your bills area in Xero. From there, choose the option to create a new bill. Instead of a one-off bill, you'll switch to a repeating template. Look for the option labeled New Repeating Bill. This tells Xero you want a schedule that automatically generates future bills based on the rules you set today. Next, set the frequency using the field that says Repeat this transaction every. Enter the number that fits your cadence and choose weeks or months. For example, enter 1 and select months for a monthly bill or 2 and weeks for a fortnightly bill. Pick the interval that truly matches your supplier's billing pattern. If your charges always fall on a certain day of the month, a monthly schedule usually works best and keeps dates consistent. Now, choose the due date. Align this with how you actually pay the supplier, whether that's on the bill date, a set calendar day, or a number of days after the bill is created. The goal is to make sure the bill lands in your pay run with enough lead time for approvals and cash planning. Select the supplier in the bill from field. This attaches the repeating bill to the correct contact and pulls through any default accounts, tracking categories, and tax settings you've set up for them. If you maintain supplier-specific defaults, this step keeps your coding consistent every time. Add a clear reference. Use something meaningful like the supplier's invoice number format or a period pay label such as rent, April. Strong references make searching, matching, and auditing much easier later. Choose the item for the bill line. Pick the appropriate item code and confirm the quantity, unit price, account, and tax rate. If you don't use items for this supplier, make sure your description is clear and your account and tax selections are correct. Take a moment here to double check amounts, as these values will repeat. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will now generate bills on the schedule you set. Depending on your organization's settings, they may appear as drafts or move straight to awaiting approval. You can return to your repeating transactions list at any time to edit, pause, or delete the schedule. That's it. Your recurring bills are now automated and under control.